अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा तालबात। एक बार फिर हम हाज़िर हैं आपकी खिदमत में आज का नया लेसन लेकर। अज़ीज़ तलबा तालबात, जैसा कि आप बखूबी जानते हो, छठी जमात में हम इस वक्त। हमारा सब्जेक्ट जो है वो सोशल साइंस सिविक्स, और हमारा आज का टॉपिक जो है वो है अर्बन लिवलीहुड, यानी कि अर्बन में ज़िंदगी का गुज़र बसर जो है वो किस अंदाज में होता है। पहले हम ऑलरेडी इससे पहले जो हम रूरल और लिवलीहुड जो है वो पढ़ चुके हैं। अब अर्बन लिवलीहुड जो है वो है कि शहरों में किस तरह ज़िंदगी का गुज़र बसर जो है वो किया जाता है। आज हम इस चैप्टर के अर्बन लिवलीहुड के क्वेश्चंस करने जा रहे हैं, क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो पहले दो क्वेश्चन जो है वो इतने इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इसलिए हम आज इसका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जो है वो करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, इन व्हाट वे इज़ ए परमानेंट एंड रेगुलर जॉब डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ए कैजुअल जॉब, डिस्कस। तो इसका आंसर है, इन ए परमानेंट एंड रेगुलर जॉब an employee gets a regular salary every month. Besides a regular salary, he gets other benefits such as saving for old age, holidays, medical facilities for his family, etc. Thus, his job is secured, but casual workers avail no job security. If workers complain about their pay or working condition, they are asked to leave. They are also expected to work very long hours. They don't get other benefits like permanent employee. Question number 4. What benefit does Sudha gets along with her salary? Answer है इसका, Sudha is a permanent worker with a company. She gets several benefits along with her salary. Saving for old age, a part of her salary is kept in fund with the government. She will earn interest on this saving. When she retires from this job, she will get this money in the form of pension. Sudha gets off on Sundays and national holidays. She also gets some days as annual leave. Medical facilities for her family. The company pays Sudha medical expenses up to certain amount for her and her family members. She gets medical leave if she falls ill, and her salary is not cut if she takes this leave. Question number 5. Fill in the following table to show the services provided by people in market which you missed frequently. Name of the shop or office, nature of service provided. Government showroom, it provides clothes as per the requirement of the customer. Shop selling utensils, footwears, electronics, goods, etc. They provide household things. Banks, they provide security and growth to our money. Notes students are suggested to add. Multiple choice question. Choose the correct option to complete the statement given below. Vandana is a dash dash doctor, sale manager, ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर, डेंटिस्ट। तो इसका आंसर जो आएगा, वंदना इज़ ए डॉक्टर, ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर, वंदना इज़ ए ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर। Next part, the authority that issue a license to a permanent shop is the first one, municipal corporation, electricity department, home ministry, या none of the above। तो इसका आंसर जो आएगा, the authority that issue a license to the permanent shop is the municipal corporation। थर्ड वन, निर्मला वर्क इन ए डैश डैश शोरूम, गवर्नमेंट फैक्ट्री, कंपनी या कॉल सेंटर। तो इसका आंसर जो आएगा, निर्मला वर्क्स इन ए गारमेंट फैक्ट्री, in a garment factory. Fourth one, workers who are employed on casual basis usually get handsome salary, poor salary, medical leave, both A and B. तो इसका आंसर आएगा workers who employed on casual basis. Worker who employed on casual basis usually get poor salary. Fifth one, foreign companies usually set up call centers in India. Foreign companies usually set up call center in India because they can get people who will work for lower wages. They can get people who can speak English. They can get cheap land to establish the center. D, both and B. तो इसका आंसर जो आएगा वो है फॉरेनर्स कंपनी यूजुअली सेट अप कॉल सेंटर इन इंडिया बिकॉज बोथ ए एंड बी, यानी कि दे कैन गेट पीपल हु विल वर्क फॉर लोअर वेजेस, दे कैन गेट पीपल हु कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश. नेक्स्ट वन, fill in the blanks with appropriate words to complete each sentence. There are almost dash dash street vendors in country working in. There are 1 crore street vendors in the country working in urban. Second, those who work in government departments. Those who work in government departments get a those who work in a government department get a regular salary every month. Get a regular salary every month. Third one, it is the dash dash that decided on which day of the week the market has to remain closed. It is the municipal corporation that decided on which day of the week the market has to remain closed. Call center in dash dash cities provide a new form of employment to the people. हम लिखेंगे इसको, कॉल सेंटर इन द बिग सिटीज provide a new form of employment to the people. Fifth, street vending is now recognized as a general benefit and as a right of people to earn their livelihood. Next, true or false. State whether these sentences are true or false. A large number of people in the city work on the streets. A large number of people in the city works on the streets कहता है बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में लोग जो हैं शहरों के अंदर गलियों में काम करते नज़र आते हैं. ये सही है. दूसरा है शॉप ऑन स्ट्रीट आर यूजुअली टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर्स. कहता है शॉप ऑन स्ट्रीट, गलियों में जो दुकानें जो होती हैं आमतौर पर टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर, वो कच्चे ढांचे होते हैं. ये भी सही है. कॉल सेंटर्स आर यूजुअली सीन इन ए स्मॉल टाउन्स. कहता है कॉल सेंटर जो है वो अक्सर छोटे शहरों में होते, कस्बों में होते हैं. ये गलत है, ये बड़े शहरों में होते हैं. चौथा है कैजुअल वर्कर्स कैन कंप्लेन अबाउट देयर पे और वर्किंग कंडीशन. ये भी गलत है क्योंकि कैजुअल वर्कर जो होते हैं उनको कोई हक नहीं होता है अपनी सैलरी और काम के बारे में शिकायत करने के लिए. पांचवा है परमानेंट वर्कर्स गेट ओनली मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़. ये भी गलत है क्योंकि परमानेंट वर्कर जो होते हैं खाली मेडिकल फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलती बल्कि उनको और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. उसके बाद है मैथ स्किल्स. match the item in column A correctly with those given in column B. It is not much important. We are going to next short answer type questions. Name some activities which are carried out on the streets. कहता है name some activities which are carried out on the streets. कुछ कामों के नाम बताओ जो गलियों में किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि आंसर है इसका वेंडिंग है, हेयर कटिंग है, शू रिपेयरिंग है, फ्लावर सेलिंग एक्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट वाज फाउंड इन ए सर्वे ऑफ अहमदाबाद सिटी. इसका आंसर है इन ए सर्वे ऑफ अहमदाबाद सिटी इट वाज फाउंड दैट 12% ऑफ ऑल वर्कर्स इन द सिटी वेर पीपल वर्किंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स. थर्ड वन, व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग डू वेंडर्स यूजली सेल. Vendors usually sell things that are often prepared at home by their families who purchase, clean, sort and make them ready to sell. Fourth one, how was street vending looked upon till recently? Street vending was till recently looked upon only as an abstraction to traffic and to people walking. Fifth, how is it looked upon now? It is now looked upon as a general benefit and as a right of people to earn their livelihood. Mention two features of business persons. First one, they own their own shops or business. They employ a number of workers as supervisor and helpers. What is essential for the permanent shop? They must have license to do business. Define labor choke. Define labor choke. Labor choke is a place where daily wages labor wait there with their tools for people to come and hire them for work. 9. What is the normal working day in a garment factory? In a garment factory, normal working day begins at 9 a.m. and finished only by 10 p.m. What is call center? A call center is a centralized office that deals with problem and question that customers have regarding goods purchased in service like banking, ticketing, booking, etc. Question number 11 and last one. Mention two features of permanent job. Men having permanent job get a regular salary with perks and other benefits every month. They can expect their job to continue for a long period of time. Dear student, ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक अर्बन लिवलीहुड. शहरों में कैसे क्या क्या कमाया जाता है, इसके हमने क्वेश्चन और आंसर किए. उम्मीद है आपको अच्छे से समझ आई होगी. आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. शुक्रिया. वस्सलाम.